Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and also make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so once the watch is paired with a phone and the battery is at least above 30%, we can continue and open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should probably see the home page of the app. So if we close it and open it again, it should look like this, basically the health page. Now, tap on the devices icon, select your Huawei Watch D from the list of devices, and it should bring you to this page. Now, scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, tap on Restore, and now let's wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.